The world of artificial intelligence has witnessed a seismic shift with the emergence of DeepSeek AI, a Chinese startup that has taken the industry by storm. Founded in 2024, DeepSeek wasted no time in making its presence felt. In early 2025, the company unveiled its groundbreaking creation, the R1, a free and powerful large language model. This marked a turning point in the AI landscape, signaling the arrival of a formidable player challenging the established order. DeepSeek's CEO Liang Wenfeng quickly became a prominent figure in China's tech scene. His vision and leadership earned him recognition from the highest levels of the Chinese government. In January 2025, Premier Li Qiang designated Wenfeng as the official representative of the AI sector, a testament to DeepSeek's growing influence and the importance China places on AI development. The R1 model is not just another large language model, it's a bold statement. It operates under a near-unrestricted open-source license, a stark contrast to the proprietary models favored by Western companies like OpenAI. This open approach has sent ripples throughout the AI community, forcing a re-evaluation of long-held assumptions about AI development and accessibility. DeepSeek's arrival signifies a potential power shift in the world of AI. With its commitment to open source and the backing of the Chinese government, DeepSeek is poised to become a major force, driving innovation and shaping the future of artificial intelligence. To understand DeepSeek's impact, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental difference between open source and proprietary AI models. This divide shapes not only the technology itself, but also the communities and industries that build and use it. Open source AI, as defined by the Open Source Initiative, champions transparency and collaboration. It is built on the principles of openness, where the source code is made available to the public. It grants anyone access to the model's source code, allowing them to use, study, modify, and even share it freely. This open access encourages a diverse range of contributors to improve and innovate upon the original work. This fosters a community-driven approach to AI development, where knowledge is shared and innovation can flourish. Developers from around the world can collaborate, bringing unique perspectives and expertise to the table. Proprietary models, on the other hand, operate within closed ecosystems. These models are typically developed by private companies that retain exclusive control over their technology. Companies like OpenAI, until recently, have kept their models' inner workings a closely guarded secret. This secrecy is often justified by the need to protect intellectual property and maintain a competitive edge. Access is restricted, often requiring payment or adherence to strict usage guidelines. This can limit who can use the technology and how it can be applied. This approach allows companies to maintain control over their technology and potentially monetize their innovations. By keeping their models proprietary, they can offer exclusive features and services that are not available elsewhere. DeepSeek's decision to embrace open source represents a significant departure from this norm. By making their R1 model freely available, they are challenging the traditional proprietary model. By making the R1 model freely available, DeepSeek challenges the established order and promotes a more inclusive vision of AI development. This move is seen as a bold step towards democratizing AI technology. This open approach has the potential to democratize AI, making it accessible to researchers, developers, and businesses worldwide who may not have had the resources to develop such advanced technology independently. It opens up opportunities for innovation and collaboration on a global scale. However, the open source approach is not without its critics. Some argue that it could lead to the misuse of AI, making it easier for malicious actors to exploit the technology for harmful purposes. The lack of control over who can access and modify the code is a significant concern. Some argue that it could lead to the misuse of AI, making it easier for malicious actors to exploit the technology for harmful purposes. Others worry about the potential for job displacement as AI becomes more accessible and capable of automating tasks previously performed by humans. Others worry about the potential for job displacement as AI becomes more accessible and capable of automating tasks previously performed by humans. The debate between open source and proprietary AI is complex, with valid arguments on both sides. As AI continues to evolve, finding a balance that maximizes benefits while minimizing risks will be crucial. China's embrace of open-source AI, as exemplified by DeepSeek, is not a random act of technological altruism. Instead, it is a well-thought-out maneuver designed to achieve multiple objectives on both the domestic and international fronts. It's a calculated strategy driven by a complex interplay of political, economic, and technological factors. At the heart of this strategy is the desire to build a self-reliant technological ecosystem that can withstand external pressures. One primary motivation is to counter the United States' technological dominance. The geopolitical landscape has been increasingly defined by a tech race, with AI being a critical battleground. The US has imposed restrictions on exporting advanced computing hardware, particularly high-end semiconductors, to China. These restrictions are part of a broader strategy to curb China's technological rise. This has hindered China's ability to develop AI using the same hardware platforms as their American counterparts. The limitations have forced China to seek alternative pathways to sustain its AI ambitions. By promoting open source, China aims to circumvent these restrictions. Open source software offers a level of flexibility and adaptability that proprietary systems do not. Open source software can run on a wider range of hardware, reducing China's reliance on US-made chips. This adaptability is crucial for maintaining momentum in AI development. Furthermore, China sees open-source AI as a means to accelerate its own technological advancements. The collaborative nature of open source allows for rapid iteration and innovation. The collaborative nature of open source allows Chinese companies and researchers to tap into a global pool of talent and expertise. This global collaboration can lead to breakthroughs that might not be possible in a more closed environment. This can speed up the development cycle and foster innovation at a rapid pace. The ability to iterate quickly and incorporate diverse perspectives is a significant advantage in the fast-evolving field of AI. China's open-source push also serves a geopolitical purpose. By positioning itself as a champion of open and accessible AI, China aims to enhance its global standing and soft power. By promoting open-source AI, China is not only addressing its own technological needs but also appealing to a broader international audience. This strategy has resonated with many developing countries who see open source as a way to access cutting-edge technology without being beholden to Western corporations. This strategy has resonated with many developing countries who see open source as a way to access cutting-edge technology without being beholden to Western corporations. These countries view open-source AI as a pathway to technological independence and innovation. However, China's open-source overtures have been met with skepticism from some quarters. Critics argue that China's commitment to open source may be superficial and driven by self-interest, rather than a genuine desire to foster global collaboration. Critics argue that China's commitment to open source may be superficial and driven by self-interest rather than a genuine desire to foster global collaboration. They caution that China's strategic use of open source could be a means to an end, rather than an end in itself. DeepSeek's emergence and China's open-source push have sent shockwaves through the global AI community, prompting a range of responses from leading tech companies, governments, and regulatory bodies. The rapid advancements in AI technology have created a sense of urgency and competition, pushing organizations to rethink their strategies and adapt to the changing landscape. OpenAI, once a staunch advocate for proprietary models, has made a surprising U-turn. This shift marks a significant change in the company's philosophy and approach to AI development, reflecting the broader industry trend towards more openness and collaboration. In a candid interview, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman admitted that DeepSeek had significantly narrowed the technological gap and acknowledged that OpenAI had been on the wrong side of history regarding open sourcing. Altman emphasized the importance of staying competitive and relevant in an industry that is rapidly evolving and highlighted the need for greater transparency and cooperation. In a strategic pivot, OpenAI announced plans to release a partially open-source model, a significant departure from its previous stance. This move is seen as an effort to foster innovation and build trust within the AI community, as well as to leverage the collective expertise of developers and researchers worldwide. This new model, while not fully open, will grant access to its code and weights, allowing for greater transparency and collaboration. By providing partial access, OpenAI aims to strike a balance between maintaining control over its technology and encouraging external contributions that can drive further advancements. The United States government, under the Biden administration, has expressed a preference for open AI models. This preference aligns with the administration's broader goals of promoting innovation, ensuring national security, and maintaining a competitive edge in the global AI race. However, concrete policy measures to promote open-source AI have been slow to materialize. The complexities of legislative processes and the diverse interests of stakeholders have contributed to the delays in implementing effective policies. A 2023 bill aimed at bolstering open-source software security has made little progress, highlighting the challenges of translating policy goals into tangible action. The bill's stagnation underscores the difficulties in achieving consensus and the need for continued advocacy and negotiation. The European Union, known for its comprehensive data protection regulations, is also grappling with the implications of open-source AI. The EU's regulatory framework aims to balance innovation with the protection of individual rights, creating a complex environment for AI development. The EU's General-Purpose AI Code of Practice, adopted in March 2025, acknowledges the benefits of open source, but lacks strong provisions to actively promote its adoption. This cautious approach reflects the EU's commitment to ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. The EU's cautious approach reflects the complex legal and ethical considerations surrounding open-source AI, particularly concerning data privacy and potential biases embedded in AI models. As the global AI landscape continues to evolve, both the US and the EU will need to navigate these challenges to harness the full potential of open-source AI while safeguarding public interests.